lesson is to do a vignette on your photograph. So yesterday we did the levels, the color balance, the patch tool, and so today we're going to learn the vignette. So get your picture as good as it can be for color, clarity, blend the skin like you learned yesterday. So today, the vignette. So once you have your original layer, your good layer, duplicate your good layer. And now you're going to click here and multiply. And what that will do is it will take every single pixel and darken it by 10 times. So it looks quite dark, but don't worry, we're going to fix that. So you're going to go over here to your eraser tool. Make sure you're on the top layer. Click your eraser tool, and you want a nice soft brush, so bring the hardness all the way down. And you want a nice big brush, around probably 700, 800. Let's see how that is. But that depends on the quality of your photo. If you have a really high quality photo, you're going to need a bigger brush. So this one, maybe that's a bit too big, maybe 1500. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to put your brush on top of the center point, the focal point of your picture, and you're just going to rub very gently in circles. You want to create almost like an oval. So what this does is it takes your viewer's attention and it forces it into the center point or the focal point. Now if you look over here, you'll see your little mask tool. Now the background is white on this particular picture, so you're not seeing a big difference. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold Command, I'm going to select the top two layers, I'm going to merge them down, and then I'm going to duplicate it again, and I'm going to do it again, just to make those white pixels a little bit more gray. So again, we're multiplying, we're darkening it again. So eraser tool, nice soft brush, and start in the middle and go. And I might even do it a third time just to really create that focus point. Subtlety is key. You want to make sure that the outside areas are nice and blended. Actually, I'm not sure if I'm going to do it again. I'll do it again just to see what it looks like. So I'm going to duplicate the layer, multiply, and then again, see it's starting to get a little bit unnatural, so I'm not sure if I'm going to leave this, but we'll start it here. It almost adds a cool little effect almost, actually, so I don't hate it, but we'll see what it looks like, the difference, okay? So here we've got the top layer. So here we have the original layer, the vignette, and then the extra vignette. I think I like the more subtle look better. So once you have it and you like it, you can merge it down. Don't merge it with the original layer though, just right click, merge down. Oh, I just did what I told you not to do. So click the top two layers, right click, merge layers. Okay, try that now on your photographs.